What is good, my people? I'm assuming you've clicked on this video because you're looking to get intros slash outros for your YouTube videos. So here's how to do it. First thing you want to do is you want to go to a website called PANZOID, which is right here. Then you want to click on the first website that pops up. It's going to ask you to log in. Obviously, if you've got an account, log in. If you don't, create an account. I'm just going to go ahead and log in because I've already got an account. Right, now when you're on the website, there is hundreds and hundreds of intros and outros to help you make all your videos basically look a lot better on YouTube, and you don't have to put the editing in yourself. Like, people already create these, they're free to use. You just have to edit them by putting your own name. I'll give you a quick example on this one here. Cool intro. Open it in the clip marker, and now what you want to do is you would like to click on this little cube right here that says objects. You can use this, scroll down to edit your text. So obviously first you want to edit and add your name. Click enter. Do the same for the second one. Click enter again. And then obviously you want to make sure you edit every little bit that says text and name, so it's to what you would like it to be. I'm going to be creating a Warzone intro, so I'm going to have the word Warzone underneath my name. And then what you want to do is you want to click this little eye here, and you can go ahead and click play and rewatch it and see if it's how you would like it.